How to cancel hotel booking in booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can cancel hotel booking in booking.com. So to begin with, check your internet connection, open up or log in into your booking.com. So first of all, let me show you by how you can actually book a hotel. So for that, you can just tap on stays. After that, select the particular destination and select the date, and accordingly then tap on the search button. So as you can see, you'll be able to see all sort of hotel that is actually registered on booking.com. Now select the particular hotel that you feel it's convenient for you and tap on select room. Next page, it's gonna ask you to select and customize the room and all that. You can go through the numbers of room and all that. Tap on the next button, confirm, and click on reserve. So in order to confirm it, you need to go through all of these information, and if you're sure about it, then click on next step. After that, you can see you have the confirmation, so tap on book now. As you can see, this particular hotel has been reserved. They booked your hotel. In order to cancel your booking, what you'll have to do is you need to go to the booking confirmation. After that, go to view or update details. Once you've done that, you need to scroll down a bit and you need to go to manage booking. After that, it's gonna take you to the manage booking page. So if you want to make cancellation, tap on cancel option. Now this is actually only available in certain hotels. Sometimes you might not be able to get a refund, or you might be asked to pay a fine and all sort of details. So make sure that you've selected a particular hotel. There's no such fee allocated when you have to cancel the booking and all that. So this is actually an easier procedure. So tap on cancel either one of it, and you can see that no fee charged. So click on yes, cancel this entire booking. Now that you're canceling it, you need to select the cancellation reason also and cancel my booking. Tap on it. As you can see that the booking has been successfully cancelled. In this way, you can cancel your hotel booking in booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.